Welcome back to Mass Appeal. I'm Seth Stubb, and how about we check in with Rich Teddemer? He's in the newsroom with a look at what's ahead on 22 News at noon. Hey, Rich.
Hey, Seth. The search is underway in Orange for a 52-year-old woman who has been missing since Tuesday. And for the first time in a year and a half, the Boston Marathon bombing suspect was in court this morning. Plus, we'll have your latest Storm Team forecast. It's all coming up on 22 News at noon.
Here's a wild tidbit. To date, Robert Charles Photography has helped raise a little bit over $70,000 for the Bay State Children's Hospital. So now we have Edward Zemba and his daughter Juliana here to talk about this tremendous fundraiser, and it all circles around your photography. You offer these packages to people, and they're great deals, but what does it include?
Sure. So first of all, thanks for having us on today to talk about it. We really appreciate it. So basically you're able to get a photographic session, a matted 8x10 portrait session, I'm sorry, a portrait photograph, and you're also able to get a clothing consultation, all for a $79 donation to Bay State Children's Hospital.
So that goes right to the hospital?
Yes, 100% of the proceeds go directly to Bay State, and this year we actually have a couple surprise gifts as well, in addition to the session and the print. Pops Biscotti and Chocolate has been nice enough to offer us some delicious chocolates, along with our friends over at Delaney House have offered some gift certificates. So for anybody that chooses to make a donation, you're also going to get to pick from one of those two gifts. Although I have to say, I think we're short one box on the drive over. One of the boxes that we brought with us
it fell off.
Yeah, I'm not sure what happened.
Yeah.
My daughter says that it just disappeared somehow.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. Well, I mean, these look really good. I don't know which one I would pick. Yeah. So we were talking earlier. I think a lot of people think about a photo session and they get nervous. Their palms get a little sweaty because it's scary. But your job, in addition to taking the photos, you're trained to make people feel comfortable and make it not scary, like the clothing consultation.
Right.
You don't have to stress.
Yeah, we're big on that. In that, you know, kind of what we're told by our families that we get the privilege to work with is that there's an experience that goes along with a photographic session with our studio and with our team. And Robert, who's my brother, he and I, who have followed footsteps in for my father, who's Robert Charles Zemba, who's the founder of the company, we've always strived to create the most fun and enjoyable experience we can, because let's face it, if you're having a good time with the portrait session, then everything just takes care of itself.
And we're looking at some of your photos right now, and I've got to say, I could never even get close to these photos if I was trying to do it on my own.
Sure.
But it's that level of not only photographic expertise, but putting people at ease really makes it easier. And what a great way to send out a Christmas card or a New Year's bulletin with doing it like this. Now,
well, the big thing this year is that everybody always thinks about portrait sessions last minute. Let's be honest. I have not finished my Christmas shopping. I'll admit it right on television today. I'm still. I'm not even close. So, but we're getting there. But the point is that we used to get panic phone calls, largely from dads like myself, a week before the holidays, and they would say, "Hey, can we come in and get a session and then a wall print for Christmas?" You know, and I'd say, gosh, we can't necessarily do that, but we'd love to work with you. So we came up with this idea, and this kind of helped us launch this whole concept, because we were trying to come up with a way to help Bay State Children's Hospital. And we came up with the idea of, well, why not make it so that you can buy a gift card, a session, ahead of time, and then give it as a gift for the holidays, or use it sometime in January through March of next year when you have time. So that way there's no stress about it or anything like that. You can just come in, get a session, get the gift certificate, and then use it next year. So that's the idea. There's no stress on it. It's a very relaxed experience, and it's going to be fun.
That's a great idea, because especially dads this time of year, we have such a panicked look on our face when it comes to all of this stuff. And we're talking about family too. I've been thinking about a photo session with my dog, because I don't have any kids. And you were saying that you do a whole lot of those.
Absolutely, yeah. We have a lot of what we call four-legged children that come through Robert Charles Photography, and they are a lot of fun to work with. We just had one in just last week, as a matter of fact. And honestly, I have to say, I mean, Juliana, who's our four-legged child, or your sibling?
We have a boxer. His name is Galileo. He's really, really nice. I mean, whenever somebody sees him, they get kind of, I guess, intimidated from seeing a huge dog, but really he's just a lovable teddy bear.
He's just a big softie. Now, we noticed you have your arm in a sling, and which actually kind of reaffirms your love and devotion for Bay State. So first of all, what happened to your arm? I think we all want to know.
Well, I do gymnastics, and I was there one time doing a skill, and my hand kind of
It
got hurt.
didn't land the way it was supposed to.
Yeah.
But you went to Bay State, and you were just telling me before we started doing the segment that you had a really cool time. Tell us a little bit about your experience.
Well, when I first walked in, I was kind of surprised because whenever I go to the doctors or something, I'm always scared.
Me too.
It's just
It's scary.
like a
And if they have
feeling.
a needle, oh, no thanks.
Yeah, but when I walked into Bay State, it was really cool. They had it was really colorful, and it was like it felt really friendly. Like when I walked in, there was a big glass wall with a whole bunch of different cartoon characters that they made up.
I want to go to that.
It was really cool, actually. I had a lot of fun there. Like it made me feel more safe instead of like scared of the doctors.
And I just want to say that, you know, that's a big part of why we became so involved, is that the doctors that are there, they work so hard to create, well, we talked about experience earlier. We try to do at our studio. Well, at Bay State, these families come in, and it's the whole family's worked up. I mean, when this happened with Juliana, we got scared.
Oh,
you know,
I
we
bet.
got nervous, and we went in, and you know, and we tried to be strong and everything too, you know, but we're nervous. And but they do such a great job of keeping everyone relaxed, and it's the donations of families in our area that have made it possible for Bay State to do what it does. Because a lot of people don't realize that, for instance, the pediatric department for the ICU, where if God forbid you're in trouble, I mean real trouble, 60% of that was funded through private donations. 60%. I mean, most people, I would think, I certainly didn't know that until we had the privilege to go there.
Well, and it's amazing because we do the Children's Miracle Network Radiothon every year, and going there and seeing that PICU and the NICU, you're giving that ease and comfort to families at what might be the most trying time. You know, when you get that phone call that your daughter's hurt herself, you're freaking out. So that you can go somewhere and feel comfortable is good. And you're giving back in your very own way. So we're out of time, but tell people how they can make a donation and get a really cool photo.
Absolutely. So two ways real quick would be you can go to Robert Charles Photography online, so that's robertcharlesphoto.com. You're also welcome to call Marissa at our front desk right now at 413-525-4263. She would be thrilled to take a donation of any value, by the way. We have a mall display at the Hook Mall as well. You can make a donation. We have kids come in with change bandits with $3.50 in change. We'll take that. Whatever you can donate would be greatly appreciated.
Everybody can do their part. That's one of my favorite parts about Western Mass. We all give so well. I hope you feel better. Okay? Feel better. And you know, I don't know. Feel better. If you want to complete details about all of the stuff that you just heard, just visit robertcharlesphoto.com. And next on Massive